Hi everyone, my name is Shahir and today's video I'm going to set up our environment. This video may be uploaded after the other video I've made a course on. It's about arithmetic operations, I'm just gonna upload the video on how to set up your development environment. So what we're gonna do is gonna install two things. I'm gonna install Python, so you can go to python.org, and also the links will be in the description of the video. So you're gonna go to downloads, and depending on your operating system you're gonna choose from here. So I'm Windows, and you can choose your version of Python. So I'm 64-bit, and I'm just gonna download the latest version. Oh yes, I'm gonna download the installer. Sorry, don't download the zip, download the installer. So I already have Python installed, but you're gonna run this, so you're just gonna click it like this. Okay, so once you run that, you're just gonna go to the installation. But one key thing to keep in mind is it's gonna say something, add Python to IDLE path. You're gonna want to tick that, okay? It's really important. So it's gonna say, maybe I'll put the picture up screen. It's gonna be somewhere here maybe. Add Python, IDLE to path. So you're gonna want to tick that also. Now this next thing we're gonna download is Anaconda Navigator. You can go over to installation. Okay. Now we need to find, yes, here, wait, installing. Okay, we're just here. We're gonna here, Anaconda Distribution, installing Windows. Okay. So I'm gonna put a link for here. You can choose your operating system from here. So in this case, I'm on Windows. Now we're gonna download the Anaconda installer here. Now you're gonna want to press this download button, and you're gonna want to run the installer. But since I already have Anaconda, I don't want to install it. So I'm just gonna download this but not run it, yeah. So once this finishes, you're gonna want to run this program. Then once that finishes downloading, you can open Anaconda Navigator. Here. So we can see we have our Anaconda Navigator, so you can use the Spider IDE, but in this case we're going to use Jupyter Notebook. So just launch it. Now once you're here, you're going to go to new Python 3 kernel. Now inside here we're going to write print hello world. And if it prints back hello world, then you've successfully finished. So you should be really proud of yourselves, because most people don't finish this step. Many people just give up here after they see the downloading installation process. So if you made it till here, clap yourselves on the back, and I'll see you guys on the next episode. So goodbye.